Ce nu s-a văzut la plecarea fraților tăi din România, imagini nedifuzate din avionul privat de lux cu care au plecat din țară.
We are so back. No one has ever been more back than we just got.
It's true. And we never really left. So now we're back, but we're starting from already kind of still being there, you know?
Yeah. It's like we never left, but still massively came back.
We never left, but we're massively back.
What is this? A $12,000 lighter and an alligator skin cigar case. In what universe was I not going to have that? This cigar cost how much? About £600. And I thought the exercise of this was to make us poor, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was the intention.
It seems like they only took menial amounts of our money and we're still very much billionaires. It's interesting, isn't it?